What's going on YouTube? Sam Irish here back at it again for another Bitcoin market analysis. So what happened yesterday? Yesterday it was a dump all around the markets, right? We had I think NASDAQ down 600, Dow Jones down 600, Bitcoin cratered down to 55,500. So if you guys watched my previous videos, you were here first, got the call from me directly that we were calling for 56,000, and we hit it and went past it by 500. So we were talking a little bit about the RSI in the last video as well. So what happened? So we hit 55,500. It lost steam and momentum going to the downside. So now here we have a little relief bump. You know, a lot of traders saw potential in a short-term bounce to get some profits. They decided that Bitcoin was too low at 55,500, so they bought in. At time of recording, we're at 57,860. So it went up to around 58.5. So that's a $3,000 move for Bitcoin. So there's some profits to be made there. I still think we're going down lower. Just because I had this little relief bump, it's already below 58,000, right? So I think the bears are in control for Bitcoin right now. A lot of focus on NVIDIA and what's going on with that, the lawsuit that SEC is filing against them. Not sure what's going on with that. But on Tuesday when markets open, right? So we talked about Labor Day, right? So Bitcoin, it pumped a lot, and people were wondering why. I gave my estimate that, well, on Labor Day, that was the only market that was open, right? So when everybody came back from vacation Tuesday, they all cumulatively decided, you know what, let's just sell everything. We don't know what's going on with NVIDIA. NVIDIA is the Mount Olympus of stocks right now. It's the number one. All eyes are on that. And since they're getting some heat right now with a potential lawsuit, people are deciding to take their profits and taking their money elsewhere. NVIDIA being a tech company, Bitcoin being a tech commodity and asset, they're pretty well linked, right? So if people are deciding that it's no longer risk on, that's going to hurt Bitcoin, right? That'll potentially trigger BlackRock to sell more Bitcoin based on ETF outflows, and we're still in play right now to see that $53,000 drop, because after we hit the 56, once it breaks through that, there's really not much holding it up as far as support. There's only a few days, and then it'll drop right down to 52, 53. Hopefully it'll hold there. We'll get some good news, but notoriously September is a rough month for stocks, assets, commodities, you name it. September, it's just bad, you know. So if you want to sit on the sidelines with dry powder, just wait for September to kind of play its course. Maybe load up around mid-September, right? Because as we were talking about RSI, and we can even talk about MACD, eventually things that go down are going to want to come back up, because what did we say? People are overall, they're optimistic and they want to make money, and October is usually a bullish month for everything. So people are going to look forward to that. They're going to buy things cheap in September, hopefully to make some more profit. But right now, looking at everything, we hit 55.5, bounce back up to 58.5, but now we're already below 58. So I think we're going to see more to the downside. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday can go either way. Thursday, we might see a little bump, but I think Friday we'll probably see another sell-off for people getting ready for the weekend. Because when a day closes and it's like a little bit in the green, like maybe like 1% or a few $100, like that was all it was able to do, right? So that's the top of the day. And if it was only able to do that, people are looking at it like, okay, this doesn't have much strength, doesn't have much conviction to go into this direction. So it's probably going to go down. I think I'm going to put my money elsewhere to make some profit. So they're going to sell and they're going to go somewhere else. So don't be surprised if we go down lower. Since we're at 57.9, we're going to do another retest on 56. If 56 doesn't hold, we're going down to 53. So I hope this video was informative. Hope you guys make some decisions with your money, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.